How to draw an eye for beginners. Lightly draw the outline of your eye and eyebrow. Once completed, go over and draw your upper lid, your pupil, and your eye waterline. Then go ahead and harden the top layer of the eye and add some shadows for the casting of shadows by the upper lid. And now I continue to add some shadows and darken the lines where I want the eye to pop more. I go ahead and add some shadows around the upper brow, the upper lid and beneath the brow to create contrast. Here I'm adding veins in the eye and adding some details and shading. As you create, you're going to want to continue moving around and adding more shading and darkening lines so that you can create that contrast so that the eye can pop and look more realistic. And mine's not so realistic, but maybe you can get yours to look a little bit more natural. But because I am a beginner, I'm teaching as I go along, or sharing my process as I go along with this. Continue using shadows to create that contrast, and then move on to the eyebrows to do the hairs. And the hairs are essentially you pressing hard at the start and then letting the pen or pencil do its thing as you let go. I can do another video slowing it down if there's interest for it. Now you move on to the eyelashes. The upper lash, I start with the upper lash and then go down to the bottom lashes. It is essential that you do not go straight down when creating the lashes. You gotta make sure you maintain your curve. Add all your finishing touches and voila, your eye is done.